Okay, so before we were so rudely interrupted by my going over the time limit allowed on YouTube or whatever, we were talking about the summary of evidence. So you've already got brackets around the sentences, and you've already looked at how accurately you summarize the evidence without introducing new and unrelated details or ideas. Because remember, some of you, many of you actually had that problem when you were revising your SRP essays. So the other thing you want to do before we leave summary of evidence is do just a little bit of a sentence count. Remember that you're supposed to have, as a rule of thumb, one sentence per body paragraph. So if you have two body paragraphs, there should be at least two sentences of evidence summary there. If you've got three body paragraphs, there should be three, and so on. So just make sure that you've got enough there, because that's another way to ensure that you've actually summarized the evidence in your body paragraphs. And then last but not least, take a look at your point of greater insight. Circle that. Make sure that it's both clear and specific, and make sure that you're answering the so what about the author's intent. You know, one of those main questions that you can answer when you do a point of greater insight. Okay, as soon as you're finished with the conclusion, there are just a few other things that you want to look at with regard to your essay as a whole. All right, the big thing is to stamp out those empty sentences that really don't say anything and don't really seem to go anywhere. So for example, you want to make sure that you're highlighting indefinite pronouns. All right, that's like everyone, someone, anyone, people, and so on. General nouns like people, humans, all students, kids, things, etc. Vague adjectives, good, bad, ooh, many, you know, that's one of my favorite words to get out of your essays. And vague nouns like mindset, lifestyle, outlook. And then ask yourself, if I got rid of these words and even the sentences that they appear in, would it drastically change my reader's understanding of my essay? If the answer is no, eliminate, change, or get rid of those words or sentences. Okay, if the answer is yes, then obviously you can keep that stuff. All right, so that's it, folks. Good luck with your revisions, and I hope to see you real soon.